See, as far as MAW is there, we are, as I said, we are brand agnostic and we have diversified from day one. So we'll keep progressing the way we have structured our processes in between. So Manish, who takes the entire ethylene on his head, and maybe the automobile, which is currently on my side of it, the stuff, and then we do a cross selling to each other. So we look at that by March. If we look at now, mm, we'll cross in the one side of arena will be 5,000 plus customers. On the other side of the arena, we might cross maybe 2,000 plus 3,000 customers approximately. So this is the first year for us. And when you look at the overall industry, as it is shaping up, as it is growing, as the awarenesses are increasing, as now the shops have started opening, as customers are going now on ground and seeing automotive is important for all of the functional needs. The growth till last 4 years as compared to that and now, I think the growth is immense in the auto industry, be it four wheelers, two wheelers, the jumps are cycles are increasing, heaps and bounds. In terms of electric mobility, I again say that what we had done previous year, I think it's better off than what probably is being looked at. Top five brands giving us a good remark of a number, which gets into a process of understanding from Vahan, wherein you have the registered vehicles. Then on the other side, we have also an unregistered vehicles which are there, which also contribute to a good number of cents. But at the same time, the low speed migrating towards the high speed customer is evolving and changing. Also, if we look at the lead acid battery, consumers are moving towards the lithium ion battery. Now the price is not being looked as that price quotient. But yes, this is all evolving, and it's too early for anybody to say. I think it takes a lot of time, efforts, and years to build something very, very concrete. We're just a small, I would not say even a pie of the cake. It's very a very small business today. But yes, the way it is growing, shaping last mile deliveries, companies moving from the IC to electric. I think that's a big happening which is going on. And because of that, when you see, if I remember, Indica ko jab dekha tha sab logon ne, when everybody saw Indica on road as a taxi, I think people started looking at, oh, Tata is Tata is the next vehicle. Similarly, like then Toyota thought of Etios. Etios went into a taxi segment, so Toyota brand picked up. Innova today, if you look at the brand, so these all brands have moved up in a lot of manner in the previous times, and they have taken a lot of time for evolving in the country. It takes a lot of donkey years to build a great brand. It's again, I would say it's a beginning. Beginning is good. Beginning is nice, and we would love to be a part of the this whole ecosystem. We would love that we are being encouraged and being accepted very well with each ecosystem, and we grow all mutually and we take it to the next levels. And we will build not only one product. As I said, warranty is just one. Buddy is coming in, accessories are on the way, e-commerce is coming up, we have Fair Digital coming in terms of the digital dealer. I think this is going to be where we are investing and we are putting. So growth is going to come. Growth buckets, now it's very difficult to say which bucket will fill faster, which bucket will grow. I think that's how the journey cycle will decide, and we will, out of 100 things, 90 go wrong and 10 maybe only work. So we also believe in that now.